What's good, y'all? Little bit of a late recap, but nevertheless, we are still here. Today was pretty straightforward. I mean, we kind of just dumped like the whole morning, and then we went back up towards like the end of the day here. Starting off, go to the daily. Oh, wait, if we go to the daily, pretty sure YM had SMT up here. The daily high. But besides that, we had a daily candle too on ES. Almost a daily two on NQ as well. So definitely expecting some sort of retracement today, which we did get, obviously. Daily gap here. And we've already expanded for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row. So I'm sure today we're expected. Upon open, we did have SMT Asia high with ES. ES didn't take out Asia high, but NQ did. So with that in mind, wait, this 5-minute gap rest in here. Let's go back down to the 5-minute. So we had this 5-minute gap resting up here. My initial thought was we come up, step into the gap, close out of it, take a short here, take it down to, we had Asia low. Sorry, Asia low was like super far on ES. So we had Asia low somewhere down here, and then we had this news low here. This was my TP2. TP1 was Asia, TP2 was this was the daily slash news low here. If I was thinking about taking it here, but I don't like taking positions in the first 5 minutes on the open, just for the simple fact that I usually trade one setup a day. So if I take my position on the open, like, it's kind of a waste. It happened to play out here though. Get on to the one. Down to the one. Be there, solid to the gap. There's a 1 minute gap as well. CSD. My second entry was going to be here when we close out at this first fair value gap here. She would have been here. But we were so close to daily low, which is a big draw on liquidity. So I didn't want to take that chance and just take it. Then we just reverse off a daily low. So RR wasn't like ideal here. Obviously it still played out. We just kind of kept dumping. This would have been my third entry that I didn't take. Again, inversion, fair value gap, close out of it. We were close to 10 a.m. So at 10 a.m. I was expecting some sort of retracement, but we ended up still dumping. I don't know why there's a gap here, but we still ended up dumping. Not really any much retracement here. Then we got some sort of like retracement in this area, kind of little consolidation. Took out the high in the consolidation, we closed fast, made a gap, retrace, still respected this high, inverse here, CSD here, market structure shift here, I was ideally looking for the close below here, so that's where I took my entry. Pretty tight stop since we closed out of this gap as well. Simple 1 to 2. Simple 1 to 2 here. I got a down there, like 1 to 2.5, pretty much. No like real draw and liquidity or target that I had in mind, so base 2R was good enough for me. Usually I go for 3, but see, it still ended up playing out. Yep. So like I said, today was pretty straightforward. We kind of just, somebody woke up mad, dumped the market today. I don't know. Fair value gap, market structure shift, break your block here, and that's pretty much it. SMT as well with the YM. All right. Peace.